Aloha, welcome to Tiki Pizza. This is the channel where I combine my love of tiki culture and pizza. We've got a great episode today. I'm making a Montreal smoked meat pizza. What's Montreal smoked meat, you ask? Well, let's find out.
Montreal smoked meat, a culinary staple of the city, has roots in European traditions brought to Montreal by immigrants in the late 19th and early 20th centuries. While the exact origins are debated, the dish evolved from homemade pastrami to a distinctly Montreal style, with brisket cured with spices, smoked, and steamed. The most famous and beloved place to get smoked meat is Schwartz's Deli, right in the heart of Montreal. Schwartz's Deli in Montreal is famous for its smoked meat sandwiches, a Montreal staple. The smoked meat is made by slow smoking and hand cutting brisket marinated in a secret spice blend for days. The sandwiches are typically served on rye bread and mustard, and you can order it lean or a little fatty. I like mine a little fatty.
Alright, I found some mozzarella that has 18% milk fat. So we're just grate a bit of that up.
I've been shredding my own cheese lately. I read somewhere that the pre-shredded mozzarella has a chemical on it to prevent it from clumping together. It's called cellulose powder, and it contains wood pulp and cotton lint. So today I'm cooking my Montreal smoked meat pizza in my blue terracotta fish oven that I got at World Market down in the States. I'm just gonna fire this baby up. It takes about a good half an hour of constant heat to get it nice and hot. So I'm just building a fire here, and we'll get things going. Alrighty, today I'm getting my pizza dough recipe from the Pizza Diet. I'm going to use his stone ground whole wheat flour recipe. I'm not doing it because it's healthier, or which it is. I'm doing it because the whole wheat crust is going to kind of emulate a little bit of the rye bread or deli bread that you'd get on a Montreal smoked meat sandwich. Now the reason it's so healthy is because he specifically uses the stone ground whole wheat flour, and apparently you can lose weight on this. I'll put the dough recipe in the description, but basically you get 11 or 12 balls of dough. So what I did is I froze it, and then I just, whenever I want to make a whole wheat pizza, I just go to the fridge and make it. And I got it all rolled out. I got some nice mustard on there, and we're just gonna dress the pizza.
Thanks for watching another episode of Tiki Pizza. I'm Chappie and this is Mookie. What's up, Mookie? Mookie says, nobody moves, nobody gets hurt. If you don't get off the couch, she won't bite you. See you next time on Tiki Pizza.